Okay, guys, it has occurred to me that some of you don't know how to solve the puzzle. Number one, these pieces are movable. They can drag and drop anywhere you want them to go. Okay? You are to fit the penguins in the box. Notice this does not move. Only the penguin pieces move. Okay, please don't turn them around. They are facing the way they are supposed to be faced. Alright, so I'm going to undo all of this and give you a strategy hint. Strategy is just like working a jigsaw puzzle. What puzzles do you start with first when you're working a jigsaw puzzle? Yes, you start with the outside pieces or the edges. You find all the straight edges and you put those together first. Okay, well, that's what we're going to do. So looking at the outside edge, notice how already these penguins are in the box, and these pieces do not have matching pieces because they are on the outside edge. That's what I mean by be careful. Some of the sides might not have a match because some of the sides have to be the outside edge, which means it's not going to have a matching side. Okay. So I'm going to pick a problem from the outside edge. Now, it is up to you to determine which one is a side that you have to solve and which side is an answer. So 12x plus 12 is an answer, okay? 6 times x plus 3 is a question. There is a difference, okay? This is an already simplified expression. This expression needs to be simplified by distribution. Okay, so I'm going to simplify this 6x plus 3 side by distribution. So when I distribute 6 times x plus 3, and I will switch back to paper just so you can see. So 6 times x plus 3 is 6x plus 18. So I want to find the side that has 6x plus 18 on it. Another strategy, if this is on the left side, then my answer needs to be on the opposite edge. So the answer on the card that I'm looking for will be on the left side of the card. Okay, so let me back up. This question is on the right side of the card, so then my answer needs to be on the left side of this opposite card, and I already see it. It's right here. All right, so I'm going to put these two pieces together somewhere over here on the edge. Okay, now that I started these two pieces, I know these two pieces go together. So either these are going to be the outside or it's going to have a card next to it. So you take the next one. Either you take this one, the 3 times x plus 8, or you take the 3 times x plus 4, or you take the 4 times 2x plus 6. But you find this matching side. So what if I take the 4 times 2x, 4 times 2x plus 6? So now I'm giving you some answers here. Alright, so then I go to my scratch sheet of paper here and I distribute. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times 6 is 24. So my card, if this card has the question on the bottom, then my answer should be on one of these cards at the top. That helps me eliminate some of my choices. So I'm looking for 8x plus 24. 8x plus 24, 8x plus 24, 8x plus 24. I don't see it. Okay, therefore, this is a bottom edge. That means that this has to be a bottom edge. 3 times x plus 4 is 3x plus 12. So again, I'm going to find a card and say 3x plus 12. I don't see a card that say 3x plus 12. So guess where that goes? I'm going to move these out of the way. These two cards go somewhere down here on the bottom, because if it had a match, then the match would be on the below this one, and it's not. I don't have an answer below that one. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is figure out if this has a match, because if this doesn't have a match, then this card needs to move out of the way and move these over. Okay, does that make sense? Hopefully that makes sense. Alright, so I'm going to solve this card. Alright, this card would be 3x plus 24. So I'm if this question is on the left side of this card, then my answer will be on the right side of this matching card. So I'm looking for 3x plus 24. Okay, 3x plus 24. Here it is. So this card has to go here. All right, so I gave you the first 3 answers. Now you go from there, okay? So these have to be answers to some question, all right? Whether it be, you have to find it and match it together and move them around. But they should all fit in this box, all right? And the edges that don't have a match will go on the outside. And that's it.